In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add weight in MyFitnessPal using a quick and simple tutorial. Whether you're tracking your fitness journey or keeping an eye on your health, logging your weight regularly can be a great way to monitor your progress. So let's dive right into it and walk through the steps. First things first, you'll want to open up your MyFitnessPal app. If you're familiar with the app, you know it's your go-to resource for tracking meals, exercise, and of course your weight. Once you have the app open, the next step is to log in. You'll see the login option on the home screen. Tap on it. At this point, if you haven't already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, go ahead and hit the login button. This will take you directly to your MyFitnessPal dashboard. Now here's where the magic happens. Look for the progress icon. It should be prominently displayed on your dashboard, typically towards the bottom of your screen. Once you've found it, tap on it to proceed. In the progress section, you'd notice at the bottom right corner a plus sign. This is what you'll use to input your current weight. So go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, the app will prompt you to enter your current weight. This is a straightforward step. Simply type in the number you see on your scale. Additionally, if you want to keep a visual record of your journey beyond just numbers, MyFitnessPal offers a handy feature where you can add a progress photo. To do this, just look for the option to add a photo when you're in the progress section. Taking photos can be a great way to see your physical transformation over time. Once you've entered your weight and added any optional progress photos you might want, your last step is to confirm all the details you've input. Do this by clicking on the check or the confirmation button. Your new weight will then be saved in the app, and you can view your progress over time, and that's it. You've successfully added your weight in MyFitnessPal. Remember, tracking your weight is a personal journey, and using tools like this can really help in understanding your body better. Consistency is key, so try to update your weight regularly to get the most out of your tracking efforts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next video.